Title: Growl, the vocal expression of discontent. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word growl. To growl is a verb that refers to the deep, guttural sound made by animals or humans when expressing discontent, anger, or a warning. It signifies a vocalization of strong negative emotions or a defensive reaction. Pronunciation. Pronouncing growl is simple, growl, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, a dog might growl when it feels threatened, warning others to keep their distance. Importance. Growling is a natural means of communication for various species, allowing them to express their feelings and establish boundaries. Conclusion. In summary, growl is a word that represents the vocal expression of discontent or warning, an important form of communication for animals and, at times, humans. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the significance of growling in understanding and respecting the boundaries of others.